Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth and I am a mother of 2 children, and I also run a business that I started 3 years ago, and that is Ariekon Hair. So I am starting my channel here on YouTube mainly because I want to teach you guys all the things that I have known past the years. I have used YouTube a lot in my journey. When I started learning how to make wigs, I came so much here on YouTube to figure out how to do this and how to do that. So there are very many educational videos here on YouTube, and I just thought this would be another platform for me to come out here and engage with my clients and my customers, and also the potential new clients, teach you guys the things that I've learned over the years, how I've learned to run my business, and all the things that I know personally. So welcome to my channel. I will be posting 3 times a week, and I will be sharing everything from wigs to maybe even fashion. I don't know if a time comes in the future and you guys like this. I'm going to be showing you one specific wig. So this is the SWISS LACE wig that is from my own company. I handmade this, and dive into it. Okay, so here with me is it is an old wig, but not really old, and I'm going to be showing you how I style and take care of my curly wig. So this here is a dip wave. It's a dip wave, and I believe it's about 18 to 20, I think this is 20 to 20 inches long, 20 to 22 inches long. And this is how the lace looks like on the inside. It is a Swiss lace, and it's still in the old style that it was when I last wore it. So let me show you guys how I generally revamp my curly wigs, just give them a little bit of freshness and maybe more bouncier curls or something of the sort. Okay, so what I like to do is usually I like to just go in with a spray bottle, and in my spray bottle is some leave-in conditioner and some oil. You can just use any lightweight oil. I don't like to use products that weigh down the hair, especially with curly hair. It tends to get weighed down so much, and it has that feel of like stickiness, or you even see some flakes depending on some types of products that you use. So I just like to go in with a leave-in conditioner, some water, and some oil. Just go in with my spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray that all over the hair. So I have wore this wig, I think about 3 to 4 times, and every time that I wear it, all I do is I just spray some conditioner and water, like a mix of water and conditioner. I just put all of that into the hair, and I just run my fingers through it and then go in with the brush. So basically what you want to do is you just want to put the water in there. Okay, so once I'm done, that's basically how she's looking like. So that's just with the water and the spray. So another thing I like to do is I like to go in with a smoothening, just a product that can help with smoothing out the hair. And I would mix that in with a little bit of oil. So I'll put that in my palms, and I will wrap that around and then just kind of like scrunch. Once that is done, the wig is looking pretty fine. The curls have been revamped and they look more fresh and the wig looks new. So you don't have to buy a new wig every time, you know. I think it makes more sense to use a unit, especially a unit like this one. It's going to last you quite a long time if you take care of the curls and you take care of your wig. So you can see that this wig is pre-colored. So I do the color as well myself. So it was a natural 1B color, and I went ahead and created some sort of like copper or kind of like brownish ends to the wig because I wanted a bit of pop. So let's get into wearing the unit. Okay, I'm going to just take this off and show you guys how I wear my wigs. That is nice and flat, and I always make sure my hair is braided down in corners, my edges are slicked and laid back, and I'm just going to push my cap back. So I personally do not like to wear my wigs with glue. If you've been following me on Instagram, and if you're not, you need to follow me, that is at Ariekon_Hair. I usually like to tell people that I do not like to wear my wigs with glue. So I would brand myself as the glueless guru because I want my people, my clients, to be able to wear their wigs and find it easier, you know, because majority of the people do wear their wigs with glue and majority do not want to wear their wigs with glue. So it's a win-win, you know, let it be half-half. You know, you can wear it with glue if you like, but it is not 100% a must to wear the wig with glue. It also comes down to the cap construction and how the elastic is sewn. And if you haven't yet watched that video, I'm going to link it somewhere around here so that you can check it out, how to install your definitely without glue, because that is how I would want everybody to be able to wear their wigs, depending. But if it's for an everyday normal wear, you just need something comfortable to throw on, you need to get out of the house quickly. This is okay. So this is how the cap construction for this specific unit looks like. So I did sew this one down with a sewing machine, and this is the Swiss lace. So you see how the Swiss lace is cut. That is just to mimic my own personal hairline. Okay, and then it comes with these adjustable straps, and these you can just make smaller or bigger depending on your cap size. The cap size of this wig is a medium. No, it's actually I'm going to go in and put this on. So we have the combs in the back. So what you do is you just put that there, then take the comb and insert it underneath, and then flip that. Okay. So basically this is how it looks like when you put it on, and this is the normal way you would wear it. But I do not have a straight up hairline. My hairline doesn't go all the way straight. So I have a bit of a curve right there because my hairline kind of like curves into the front. So when people talk about glue lace wigs, many times they think you don't use anything whatsoever. And you can go away with wearing your wig and not using anything whatsoever, depending on your hairline. You know, if you have more of a flatter hairline without curves and bends, then you won't need in most cases to wear any type of glue. But I do have a little bit of curve in my wig or my hairline, so usually I will just place a little bit of got to be spray just right onto this place here, because this is where it lifts up the most, and the sides are laying nice and flat, so there is not a need for me to put anything onto the side. Either way, I would just lay down my baby hairs here and then just tie that up. But I'm going to be showing you how I'll do this with just a little bit of got to be only for this part of my hairline. So you could go away with only using just the spray, or you could mix just the both together. You could mix the both together and it would still work perfect. So most times you just take a little bit because it's just for one side. So just mix that up together. Of course you can do this on something if you have something to use. I'm just using the palm of my hand. You don't have to. Okay. So I'll just place that right there. So then I'm going to go in with something to just help me hold that down nice and firmly. So if you do not like these two little hairs in your face, you could of course just tuck them behind, and that's basically it. So I'm going to go ahead and put some makeup just here at the front in order to cover up any type of excess. So for my makeup, I'm just going to take my face contour and I'm just going to dot that right there. And if you want to define the line in your hairline, you can just go in also with your concealer, maybe something that is a shade lighter, not too light, just a little bit lighter. And then you can create your pattern just to give it more definition. Everyone, so this is how the wig is looking like once I have done everything and I've completed laying a little bit of my baby hairs on the side, and you can just lay them in any way that you deem fit. I'm going to be leaving my hair like this basically the whole day. We'll be running errands, taking some packages to the post office, and yeah, just continuing with my work. And if I want to feel a little bit more chic or diva-ish, then I will just put this two here in the front and it will change my whole look. Come to the end of this video. If you like this video, and feel free to leave me a thumbs up, because that will help me grow with the channel. And please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be informed every time I upload a new video. I would also welcome suggestions, video suggestions, and the things you'd like me to share with you guys. Are you new into the whole wig industry? Are you looking for good quality wigs? Because I do have the best quality wigs that will last you and give you value for your money. So don't forget to send me an email if you would like to purchase, or go onto my website ariekonhair.com. Thank you and have a blessed day until we meet again. Bye.